Massive hailstorm dumps on Mexico City. An intense hailstorm rained on Mexico City, causing floods. The storm began late Sunday with heavy rain and quickly turned into a massive hailstorm. Residents scrambled to get indoors as the rocks pummeled to the ground. The hail reportedly reached almost 2 feet high at one point, blocking many city tunnels and throughways.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.